Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? All right, we are here at Red Lobster. And why are we here at Red Lobster? Because we are celebrating this young man's birthday. His name is Alton, yes. And he is 16. And at the age of 3, actually, he was diagnosed with acute leukemia. So he fought that for about 5 years. And guess what? He's here today. He's healthy. You know, such a blessing. And Alton, you have anything to say to anything?
I'm grateful for my family.
So
also known as me.
Oh yeah, can't forget my daughter. She's the one behind the camera. Thank you. They just brought me my pina colada, or they say a lotta colada. So, kind of one of my favorite tropical drinks that I like to have. So, yes indeed, yes indeed. Until I get on my cruise. Take a look at the, let me show you his balloons. Anyway, he's 16. He is 16. And this young lady right here, my straight A student, is Christy.
Hey guys, what's up? If you're new to the channel, which you probably aren't because this is our first video, please subscribe and leave a like down below. And a comment if you want us to do more videos with the family.
All right. Well, we did order the surf and turf. So right now we're eating the salad, and we will definitely be coming back to you.